In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add an Instagram reel to your Mailchimp email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member at Video Email. Video Email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add an Instagram reel to your Mailchimp email. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email just like this example featuring an Instagram reel. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to create a new regular email campaign in Mailchimp. We select the new email builder, though if you prefer the classic builder, that's fine too. Next, we select our template. We are using a template we have saved earlier. Having selected our template, we drag a code block into position within the template where we wish our reel to be featured. We are now ready to select our Instagram reel. Okay, so let's grab our reel from Instagram. We'll need to do this on our mobile. Step 1 is to locate the reel we wish to add to our email. To download this, we tap the share icon in the bottom of the screen. From the options, we select Download. We now have a copy of our reel in our camera roll. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we name our video. We now upload our reel from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting it from our folders. We enter the width of our video at 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our reel will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the file. We have now successfully uploaded our reel. We now choose how we are going to use the reel. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our reel to our Mailchimp email. We return to our Mailchimp campaign. We delete the code in the code pane and then paste the HTML snippet into this source code pane. Our reel is now in position within our template. We can preview our video email to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. We now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. To get started for free, sign up for your unlimited free trial of the Viewed Video Email platform using the link shown here.